Right, so I am still in my Bitcoin short from here. Um, yeah, my stop's just like what 65. If we break it, we break it. ETH, just doing ETH things. Also, okay, yeah, the new thing that I've done is I've got two tabs, and one's with my old setup, so Trendmaster, which actually is kind of better for scalping, in my opinion, because I kind of tailored Trendmaster and the bands and the oscillators to trying to find areas for potential reversal with the Scout Master, and Algo Master so far seems to be like more for a swing, so 1 hour, 4 hour. Um, that's what I've got going on at the moment. I still like the old retail stablecoin demand because I think the new one on Algo Master isn't very good. Um, I don't know. It you can't really see trending price, trending retail stablecoin demand as well on the new Algo Master. So I've still got it on the old one. Maybe I might switch it, but that's just me. Let's see. I'm still on my Popcat short. I did write in the altcoin chat that I was looking for a short. Where's my actual chart with my lines? Oh, it's on this one. I was looking for a Popcat short. Forget about that one for now. Around these two swing highs, because we're getting quite overbought on the oscillator here. We also have a band that's going straight, and it's going straight on the 12 hour as well, with a demand zone around this swing. And I think it was going straight on the 4 hour as well. Let's just let this load. Yeah, so all the bands were going straight on the 4, 12, and the daily. So I was like, okay, if we do get like a wick up into it, the daily band, probably $1 would have cut it off. I mean, 9.9 and you're pushing it. But a wick into this, and I was going to be taking like a apprehensive low leverage short that you can junk up the leverage once it gets down. Hopefully it gets down to the weekly open. I'll take a lot of profit and junk up the leverage just to pull my capital out. Um, I was in a whiff short, but it's been stopped out. Luckily, I de-risked it massively. I think around here, which is like a previous 4 hour swing or like a high level. There was lots of supply at the moment over around here as well. I de-risked it around the weekly open because I was just like, you know, you have to, and then got stopped out on the rest. But that's fine. Last but not least, I am in a near short just now. So what I've been doing is obviously we've been talking about pulling out, upping your leverage and pulling out your margin. Now, the best things to do this on is to if you like to set orders. So say you like to set orders and you trade on 10x. What I've been doing, well, I trade on 10x quite a lot of the time. But what I've been doing is I've been setting orders on 5x so I can give it a little bit more wiggle room, and then I'll jank up the leverage to 10. So for example, something like this. Let's just get near to load up. Or is this the right chart? Blow thin. So something like this, you can see that the range that you want to get into is about 1.5%, maybe 2%. 2% on 10x is quite a heavy loss if you were to do your orders on 10x. So what I've done is I've done my orders on 5x, had my stop at just around 2%, so it's a 10% loss, which is fine because it's like a few percent on my portfolio. And then hopefully when it fails this daily open, I'll jank up the leverage and take the margin out, like we were talking about. So yeah, it's really good for if you're setting orders on things, especially things like that move like Ponky, Popcat especially, because this thing moves crazy. So yeah, um, AI coins doing really well. I did buy some power at like 616 around here, which was nice. Let's just compare these on Algo Master and Trend Master quickly. So Algo Master went by at 9 a.m. Wednesday 18th. Okay. And Trend Collection went by way earlier. Interesting, interesting. I thought Algo Master was quite a little bit more aggressive than Trend Collection was, but Trend Collection's a bit more in and out. I have to tweak the settings a bit, but I won't do it now. So yeah, AI coins are doing really well at the moment. I did see a nice say chart. Ah, that's not a good chart. Anyway, yeah, that fair chart's horrible. Okay, well, I'm not sure why there's a massive gap on the bluefin chart. Um, oh yeah, let's look at it on this one. Yeah, so that looks really good. I remember when I was down here, I was like, it's literally just done a full retrace. It's gonna come back. Sort of objectives to kind of doing the same, but it's doing a longer accumulation. My two big bags, that and Rio. But yeah, in terms of what we're looking for now, I'm still on my Bitcoin short. Um, I'm hoping that we can get a March or May test on it. It just, you know, it sounds really easy, but I just don't. I'm not sure if we break on this one unless we get a ton of shorts coming in here. The bands are getting really tight, but I do think we could go down for a higher low before October starts, or maybe around the start of October. If this does happen, I'm more than happy to long it and get stopped down my short. And then if it does do that, I'll just reshort it. It's fine. I'm in a short from pretty high up, like 64.6 or something. So yeah, that's Bitcoin in a Popcat short. I do want to get in some sort of like scalp long, just some. I'm quite short exposed at the moment, and like we're going into like the bullish part of the year and the bull run, so I'll be looking for something like Sui or Tau on a pullback, which has been going crazy. But I mean, this just looks like it's going to go to March, doesn't it? It's double retested QC. But yeah, so that is me at the moment. I can't even remember what else I was going to talk about. If this fails daily open, it will look good. Near. There's a new. There's another site that you can test out automating this called. What's it called? Signum? Can't even remember. I was going to try it yesterday, but then I had to go out.
Button here, and then
It's called Signum, yeah. I'm not sure how good it is compared to Wonder Trading. I want to try it out on something like KuCoin. But yeah, I'll probably need a little bit of help with it. Or I'll try and do it myself and see how far I get. Um, so yeah, any spot coins anyone's looking at? Any trades anyone's looking at? I've gone through where I'm at in the market right now. Let's see what Sundog's doing. Just dancing. Just dancing. Getting a sell on the hourly. How's everyone finding the new Algo Master? And are you using it on smaller time frames? That's what I want to know. Because I do see some people in the chat being like it's killing it on the 3 minute, stuff like that. I would love to do some testing on it compared to Trendmaster, but it just takes so long. And also, I feel like my autopilot's a little bit bugged. See, is 5 sensitivity better than autopilot? I'm not sure, because you get this. This is what we don't want. Turn it back on. It's pretty much the same. Maybe jank up the sense. Might have to jank up the sense. Let's see. Hello, Zeusy boy. From the tests I've done, it seems to do really well with volatile price on low time frames, but as soon as it's stable, the algo doesn't perform too well on low time frame. Yeah, I mean, when it ranges, it's not very good. That's where I like my original setup with Showmaster and Scoutmaster, because it will just catch the bands with reversion on the Scoutmaster, but Algo Master seems to work really well on the 4 hour. Like, I did some back testing on the so things like Popcat. See, like, let's just change the sense. I think if we put multiple on here, so look, one sense is minus 134%. Let me just up that so you can see that. One sense is minus 135%, but if you go up to 10, it's 181. It's very interesting. But then Ponky's like completely different. It's like it says leave it on 5 to 7. So I'm not sure. I feel like the autopilot might need slightly more tweaking. They did say that it was fixed, but I'm not really getting the best results with autopilot at the moment. And I also don't really want to go into each chart, look at what sense is best on the backtesting data, and then change the sense to it, because I'm going to just be changing sensitivity all the time. It would be good to do that if you wanted to automate it. So like, go do the backtesting, try it out, and then see what sense is best. And then if you wanted to automate it, fine. But I don't really want to do that. I want to manually do it at the moment. And also, I'm in quite a lot of spot at the moment. Like, I don't have a lot of money to automate and trade at the moment. Well, I obviously do have a percentage, but I just want the bull run to pop off with my spot altcoins at the moment, like Fat, Injective, Rio, stuff like that. But yeah, nah. It definitely needs a slightly more testing on my part, because I like my original. Like, things like this is just what I've tweaked it perfectly for. My original, even on the hourly and on the 3 minute, it rips as well. But yeah, I've only played around with it since release Monday though. Yeah, same. I need to like do a proper, because with the older ones, I used to like sit down for like a whole, because I just finished uni. I used to sit down for like 6 hours and like properly test out like actual trades. So like with like $20, like on super low leverage, actually test out a real trading strategy with it, and not do any of this backtesting stuff. Well, I'd obviously use the backtesting data, but then also use the like organically trade with it with small amounts just to see. Anyway, Whiff seems to be pumping. That's a lot of sell pressure there. So yeah, like I was saying with the orders, I'll be looking to like ladder some That's about 2%. It's quite a wide stop. If you could get anything here at the top, it'll be alright. On lower lev, it'll come down, you can de-risk it. But for now, I'll just set an alert at like 9-1. So I'm not sure if I want to set orders on that yet. We'll see if that hits in the next, hour. But yeah, PopCat just needs to dump. Although I am winning on the monthly leaderboard at the moment. Let's just check it this morning. So maybe, oh no, I'm second now. Damn it. So maybe it doesn't need to dump. I'm in a fat short, but I'm in a short from all the way up here. Literally this. This would just hurt so much if it did that. Anyway. I've already TP'd some down here in the band. Luckily I had some orders set because I was asleep. But yeah, smash your coins, smash your charts in the chat, and we'll compare my old setup we'll do 3-minute 15, 1 hour, 4 hour, and we'll compare it to the Algo Master. Also, anything you're looking to short, long at the moment. We're at a bit of a weird spot where we're like, price is just being held, probably because the options at the end of the week. But yeah, that still looks like I want to hold my short to me. If you're not in a short, or if you're not in a position, it just looks janky, doesn't it? Why is this not loading? Right, let me not tell you. What are you guys looking, long or short? How would you decide the sensitivity on the Algo Master if you were to do it for automation? I would use the backtesting data, to be fair. But if I wanted to automate it, I would definitely organically test it first with the backtesting data. So, let's have a look. Multiple, bottom right, small trades, 25. Yeah, see, that's not very good because I haven't tweaked it. But one sensitivity. Should we take it off autopilot and see? Why has that come up? Anyway. It really depends on what coin you're looking for. Let's go on the 4 hour. I think it looks to be working best on the 4 hour. So after you tweak it to whatever you want, be it the buys, be it the TPs, or anything like that, probably look at profit factor and median drawdown. Obviously you want to look at net profit as well, and then do some actual testing on that sense. So pick 2 of the best ones. What are 2 of the best ones here? Probably 2 and a low one and a high one. 2 and 9 maybe. And then do some actual testing on it yourself, like organically, before you automate it. But I'm not really looking to automate it yet because it's too new for me. I need to know a bit more. I know you're very interested on automating. Yeah, it does work. It works very well on the 4 hour, is what I've noticed. I wonder how it works on the daily. Yeah, it's a little bit janky. Yeah, I mean you'd have to customize the cents. Let's actually look at it on the daily because I feel like lower cents would be good on the daily. But let's see if I'm right. I mean, 1 and 10 give you very similar. I mean, 1 gives you less win rate but more net profit. So this is what I mean. You need to do your own testing as well as the back testing data. Just see what works good for you. I'm more than happy to make a preset for you guys and test it throughout the week as well. And then, or like, say you wanted to do your own testing, we could both like do a whole week of it, test like 10 trades each, and then in next week present the findings or whatever. But yeah, 4-hour Algo Master does seem to hit very well. Even if you do get a couple signals that don't really line up, the next one will probably always line up. So let's have a look. That's a good hit. That's a non-hit here, but you could have sold maybe here or here and got this. That's a good hit. That's a bad hit, but it's printed a buy straight after, so you could have bought there and got a decent move. That's not a good hit, but that is a hit. So if it does print a sell or a buy and loses the trade, usually the next one will always hit. That's what I've noticed so far. But obviously you can't bank on that. Yeah, it seems to have very good data on that Popcat. Things that move a lot, because on the 4-hour, yeah, it might give you a couple conflicting signals, like here. But when it does give you that hit, for example here, it gives you 40% non-hit, but you longed August open. I don't know if I would short that here on August, especially if you didn't break the low. I was looking to actually long it by another 40%, so it's going to give you high percentage when it does hit. Yeah, interesting. Interesting stuff. I think this indicator is going to have quite a lot of mainstream appeal. So for like people, say you're scrolling TikTok or you're on Twitter and you see this indicator, like very stripped down, very simple, people are going to be like, ah, that looks good. I could just easily just buy or sell here, because that's what they want really. They don't want to learn how to trade. They just want something that tells them what to do. But yeah, let's see how tokens doing. Still in accumulation. This is one of my favorite coins, by the way, token, because it's run on the Floki chain, and it's also tokenized RWA. You can make your own NFTs without coding them like super easily, and your own like shit coins. And I think it's got a lot of mainstream appeal. It reminds me of like early Xbox 360 days, if anyone played Xbox all the way back then. Just like the interface and the way that you can create tokens and collections and stuff. Definitely check it out. I was buying it around here. I was actually saying in the altcoin in the microgem chat, like at the start of 2024, I was like, "Yo, let's buy some of this shit." Yeah, what else is everyone else looking at? I'm more than happy to find out what you guys are up to in the market, be that trading or looking at spot coins.
I just broke Wunder trading, but I'm gonna fix it soon.
What do you mean you broke Wonder Training?
Yeah, they I got an issue with my bot.
Oh,
It was supposed to take profit last night,
yeah.
and instead of taking profit, it flipped the trade to a long from a short,
Oh, very
and
strange.
the TPs that was already set ended up as as limit buys lower.
Is that so? Did you? Is that with
So,
your old bot, or did you set up a new bot with Algo Master, or like a new one?
yeah, a new one with Algamat.
Okay,
Um,
that could just
they
be because
kind of
Algo Master's not finished though.
no. It's not Algomaster's issue. That one work perfect. It's on the window trading.
Okay,
They blame it on TradingView, but I talked to Bing and he said it's a clear window trading. So
yeah,
I'm in talks with the support there. And I'm gonna get it sorted.
yeah. I
It's
have
a
been
bot
hearing
for
about
completely.
another site called Signum, but I haven't tried it out yet, so I can't vouch for it at all. But I'm not
Yeah,
sure.
and then I got another one from Bing too, but that one is like it's $10 per bot.
Yeah, it's just a test.
If it's really profitable, then okay. But we need to just test it and have everything working perfect
Yeah,
first
for
before
sure.
we can start getting expensive bot. It's
Mm, yeah, if
like window trading is like $20 for 5 6 bots. So
mm, I can't see your
that's
name, but the guy with K, if you're, I know you have a lot of questions about automating and botting. There are a few
yeah.
guys that do a lot
I
of
replied
botting, such as Egil and Jan, Chris Bing. They're the guys.
Adrian.
Yeah, they're the yeah, Adrian Wazzle. Um, they do a lot of the bottom, so they're going to be way more knowledgeable on stuff like that than me. And we actually have a
Yeah,
whole botting
we're gonna
chat.
have a few. Yeah, we're gonna have a few sessions. Me and Adrian at least, and everyone that want they can come in and
Yeah,
check out what we're doing. So,
yeah, I think that'll be good. I'll definitely join that as well.
but it's not gonna be scheduled. It's just gonna be like
Yeah,
when we when we gather in the evenings,
yeah, yeah.
shoot the breeze. But I need to make me a morning coffee. I just freaking wake up. I was
Well, you're
up
waking up
until like
late,
four
brother.
o'clock. Like, yeah, I was sitting until 4 o'clock messing with that stupid bot. Trying to figure out.
Yeah.
I hate it when things don't work as it's supposed to. So I get like tunnel vision, fix, 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 fix.
Yeah, for
Yeah, I'll be
sure.
back soon.
No
I
worries.
need coffee.
Yeah. So yeah, if anyone's not got anything they're looking at, I'll just flick through some charts. Like Chris said, I think we've got some data on Thursday and options Friday, so it's probably going to be a decently. I don't know. Whenever I always say it's going to be a flat market, something always happens. So I don't want to say that, or maybe I do. Hey, Cycle. Nice to see you again. How's the new job? Going good? Busy, busy. Yeah. Yeah, start of a job's always a little bit stressful because you got to get your groove, get the hang of it. But after a couple of weeks, I'm sure you'll level out and have a little bit more time for the trading. Yeah, so like I said, the only thing I'm watching is width at the moment, but cautiously, I'm not sure if I want to set levels on this. And the reason why, sorry, not levels, orders, is the reason why is these bands are curving up, and this one seems to be a little bit. So this also looks quite bullish. Breaking the high. See what this close says. Oscillator is nowhere near cooked, so don't know. I wouldn't want to set. If I were going to set an order, I'd probably set it quite high with a tight stop. But it's possible if we don't. It is finding resistance here. Want like a nice wick bang, and then. But yeah. Um, how's my near trade doing? Not the best. Getting an arrow on the reactive oscillator, which is nice. Wait for this candle to close. Um, what's Pepe doing? They do look like they want to squeeze up a little bit and just take all that. Look, all the bands are getting so tight as well on the 4 hour, on pretty much everything, even Bitcoin. Look at this. This just means major moves soon. If I zoom in, or it's actually easier to see on my old one. Yeah, that's crazy. Someone's holding that price. Yeah, I love. Yeah, holiday was great. It's nice to just not look at the charts for a bit. I literally came back from holiday and hit like 3 trades straight away on the Monday, like 2 days after I came back. It was nice, but that was a couple weeks ago now. Back to the rainy London. It's getting all grey here now. In for 6 months of greyness. Let's check stacks for you because I know you like stacks. Ooh, very interesting. Let's compare. Let's compare the Algo Master to my old setup. Definitely looking at an interesting close here. Very, very interesting. Could be getting some more bearish divergence as well. That doesn't look bad. Hmm. China had injected 500 billion yuan into their stock market. I did see something about that actually on X. Yeah, major liquidity coming. It's gonna be good. Some China coins maybe. Time to run that back. What's the most famous China coin? And don't say PP. Pi Pi? How'd you say it? PP?
CFX, Lina,
CFX,
there's a
yeah,
lot.
CFX. That's a big one.
And oh, there is bigger too. Mm, a old one of the oldest. What's the name? Hmm.
Yeah, CFX. Crazy.
High Street is a one that moves good. It's a metaverse play from China.
What's it called?
High High Street.
Oh yeah. Jesus. That's a what you call a crazy accumulation.
But what did you do last bull run? Didn't you played with the micros?
I played I you know what? I just bought things like layer ones and they just went crazy like Ada, Matic was a good one. But last bull run was like crypto on easy mode, bro. You just
Hilarious man.
buy
When you
anything
when
and
you
it.
found the micro X, it's like crazy. So you have to play with those.
Oh yeah, Axie.
Super fun.
Yeah,
Oh
yeah. I had some Axie.
yeah.
Axie was hilarious, man. Usually buying at like one or $2, and then it went to 20. I was like, yo, this is a crazy trade, and then it went to 100. Sold it all at like 18.
Do you know who's the market maker for Access,
Who?
or who it was?
Nah, nah,
Sam
don't.
Bankman-Fried.
Really?
Yeah,
No way. He was pumping my shit up.
yeah, yeah. Him and that stupid Alameda team.
Yeah, maybe bring them back.
Yeah. Let him out again. Let's start a new exchange.
Bring them back to pump my
I think
bags
the
off.
world is better off.
Yeah, no, I definitely agree.
I'm pretty sure the world is better off with him in behind lock.